Jetman Dubai is an awe-inspiring aviation project that pushes the boundaries of human flight. Through their innovative jet-powered wingsuits, the team, led by Swiss inventor Yves Rossi, has captured the world's attention. The carbon fiber wingsuits, equipped with jet packs, enable sustained, controlled flight, allowing the pilots to soar through the skies with unmatched grace and precision. Jetman Dubai pilots undergo rigorous training to achieve mastery in executing breathtaking maneuvers. They have achieved remarkable feats, including flying in formation with aircraft, performing acrobatic stunts, and navigating natural wonders like the Grand Canyon. Their flights have also taken them alongside Dubai's iconic Burj Khalifa, demonstrating the fusion of human and technological prowess. Safety is of utmost importance to Jetman Dubai, with extensive protocols and backup measures in place. Collaboration with aviation authorities ensures responsible and secure flights. Jetman Dubai's achievements have not only amazed spectators but have also inspired dreamers and adventurers worldwide. They serve as a reminder that passion, innovation, and determination have the power to overcome limits. Jetman Dubai's impact extends beyond recreational flight. It has paved the way for technological advancements and future applications in aviation. The project embodies the indomitable human spirit and encourages us all to embrace our inner pioneers and reach for the skies. In conclusion, Jetman Dubai's journey represents the epitome of human flight, merging innovation and adventure. Through their daring exploits, they continue to redefine the possibilities of aviation and inspire a world to dream big and explore the unknown. In recent years, the field of robotics has witnessed remarkable advancements, with cutting-edge technologies shaping the way we perceive and interact with machines. Among these innovative creations, one name stands out prominently: Blanc Robot. Blending artificial intelligence, sleek design, and advanced functionality, Blanc Robot has emerged as a groundbreaking player in the robotics industry. This video delves into the remarkable features and potential applications of the Blanc Robot, highlighting its role in revolutionizing the future of robotics. Unleashing the power of artificial intelligence. At the heart of Blanc Robot lies its remarkable artificial intelligence, AI, capabilities. The video provides an in-depth exploration of aero, which is the study of aerodynamics in aviation. It introduces aero as a revolutionary concept that is transforming the way we understand and approach flight. The video discusses key features of aero, including lift and drag, stability and control, and its relevance in supersonic and hypersonic flight. It highlights the importance of optimizing aerodynamic efficiency to enhance aircraft performance and fuel efficiency while minimizing environmental impact. The video also delves into the future potential of aero in various areas of aviation. It emphasizes the role of aero in advancing sustainable aviation practices, such as reducing fuel consumption and emissions and designing quieter aircraft to mitigate noise pollution. Additionally, it explores the concept of urban air mobility and how aero principles can contribute to the development of efficient and safe electric aircraft for short-distance travel within urban areas. Furthermore, the video highlights the impact of aero in advancing materials and structures used in aviation. It mentions the development of lightweight and strong materials, such as carbon fiber composites, which enhance aircraft performance. Aero research also enables the design of flexible and adaptive wings, improving maneuverability and fuel efficiency. In conclusion, the video underscores the critical role of aero in shaping the future of aviation. It emphasizes that with aero's continuous advancements, the aviation industry can strive towards safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly practices. By optimizing aerodynamics, exploring sustainable aviation solutions, embracing urban air mobility, and leveraging advanced materials and structures, aero paves the way for an exciting future in aviation. The video explores Spacetop, a groundbreaking technology that aims to revolutionize computer interaction and user interface design. Developed by a team of innovative researchers, Spacetop combines 3D spatial tracking and display technologies to create a virtual workspace that goes beyond traditional 2D screens. Users can manipulate and navigate digital content in a three-dimensional space, making interactions feel natural and intuitive. The technology allows for multitasking with multiple applications floating in space, promoting productivity and seamless task transitions. While Spacetop is still in the early stages of development and not commercially available as of September 2021, its potential to redefine how we interact with digital content and enhance productivity is truly exciting. The video explores the potential of algae-based materials as a sustainable solution for various industries. It highlights the versatile applications of algae-based materials, such as sustainable packaging, textiles, construction materials, and nutraceuticals. the advantages of algae-based materials, including their renewability, carbon sequestration capabilities, and minimal environmental impact, are discussed. The video also acknowledges the challenges in scaling up production but emphasizes ongoing research, technological advancements, collaboration, and policy support to overcome these hurdles. Overall, algae-based materials are presented as a promising avenue to revolutionize industries and pave the way for a greener and more sustainable future. In today's rapidly evolving world, technological advancements continue to reshape the way we live, work, and interact. One such innovation that has gained significant attention and is transforming various industries is crowd-bot. By combining the power of artificial intelligence, automation, and human collaboration, crowd-bot has emerged as a game changer, unlocking new possibilities in the realm of tasks and project management. In this video, we explore the concept of crowd-bot, its functionalities, and the impact it is having on businesses and society as a whole. What is crowd-bot? Crowd-bot can be defined as a collaborative system that utilizes the capabilities of both artificial intelligence, AI, and human intelligence to accomplish a wide range of tasks efficiently. It harnesses the power of crowdsourcing, where a large group of people, known as the crowd, contributes their skills, knowledge, and expertise to collectively solve problems or complete complex projects. The role of AI in crowd-bot. At the core of crowd-bot is artificial intelligence, which plays a vital role in automating and streamlining various aspects of the collaborative process. AI algorithms help in task allocation, matching the right experts to the right projects, and managing the workflow. It ensures that tasks are distributed efficiently and completed within the desired timeframe. Moreover, AI enables crowd-bot to learn and adapt over time. As the system receives feedback and data from users, it can continuously improve its decision-making process, optimizing the matching of tasks to suitable contributors and refining its overall performance. In today's digital age, where keyboards and touchscreens dominate our lives, there is something undeniably satisfying about putting pen to paper. The act of writing by hand not only allows for a more personal and intimate connection with our thoughts but also promotes creativity, concentration, and even memory retention. Recognizing the importance of this timeless practice, a revolutionary device has emerged on the market, the Nuwa pen. The Nuwa pen is not your ordinary writing instrument. It combines the elegance of traditional penmanship with cutting-edge technology, making it a game changer in the world of writing tools. Whether you're a student, a professional, an artist, or simply someone who appreciates the art of writing, the Nuwa pen offers an unparalleled experience that will enhance your productivity and creativity. One of the key features that set the Nuwa pen apart is its exceptional precision and responsiveness. The world's oceans are facing an unprecedented crisis due to pollution and waste accumulation. Plastic waste, in particular, poses a significant threat to marine life and ecosystems. Addressing this global challenge requires innovative solutions, and one such groundbreaking technology is Waste Shark. Developed by RAN Marine Technology, Waste Shark is an autonomous marine drone designed to tackle water pollution and collect waste efficiently. In this video, we will explore the capabilities and potential of Waste Shark in revolutionizing marine waste management. The Waste Shark, a technological marvel. The Waste Shark is a small, unmanned surface vessel shaped like a shark. It is equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and a GPS system, allowing it to navigate through water bodies autonomously. The drone moves effortlessly through marinas, harbors, and other waterways, detecting and collecting various forms of waste, including plastics, microplastics, and other debris. Efficient waste collection. With its innovative design and technology, Waste Shark can collect up to 350 kilograms, 770 pounds, of waste in a single trip. Its large mouth-like opening serves as a collection basket, capable of capturing floating debris effectively. The drone's sensors enable it to avoid obstacles and navigate tight spaces, ensuring thorough waste collection even in challenging environments. Versatility and adaptability. The Waste Shark is highly adaptable to different water environments. It can operate in both shallow and deep waters, including canals, lakes, and coastal areas. The drone is designed to adjust its depth, ensuring it remains on the water's surface or just below to collect waste efficiently. Its versatility allows it to access hard-to-reach areas, such as around docks and along the shoreline, where waste often accumulates. Environmental monitoring. Beyond waste collection, Waste Shark is equipped with environmental monitoring capabilities. Its sensors can detect water quality parameters, such as temperature, pH levels, and dissolved oxygen, providing valuable data for research and analysis. This feature allows researchers and environmental agencies to monitor the health of aquatic ecosystems and identify pollution hotspots. Collaboration and integration. Waste Shark operates in conjunction with a cloud-based platform, allowing users to monitor and control multiple drones simultaneously. This integration streamlines the waste collection process and enables efficient coordination among waste sharks, ensuring a comprehensive and targeted approach to marine waste management. Advantages over traditional methods. Compared to traditional waste collection methods, such as manual labor or stationary collection systems, Waste Shark offers several advantages. Firstly, it reduces the risks associated with manual labor, as the drone can perform tasks autonomously, minimizing the need for human intervention in polluted waters. Secondly, its ability to navigate autonomously and collect waste efficiently results in time and cost savings. Lastly, its data collection capabilities contribute to a better understanding of environmental conditions, leading to informed decision-making for effective waste management strategies.